Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Facebook Messenger in desktop. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to download Facebook Messenger in desktop. So let's get started. So to download Facebook Messenger, you have to simply type in search bar Microsoft Store. Now type in search bar Facebook Messenger. Here you can see Messenger. So to download this Facebook Messenger, here you can see the option of Get. So click on Get. Here you can see starting download. So here you can see our downloading starts. So here you can see our Facebook Messenger has been installed. So simply open the Facebook Messenger. So here you can see two options: sign in with Facebook or sign in with phone or email. So I'm going to click on sign in with phone or email. After entering your details, simply click on login and you will be logged into your Facebook Messenger. So you can see we have installed the Facebook Messenger. So you can also install the Facebook Messenger by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.